Hey you guys, back with another video. Today I'm gonna make this spinach feta pasta. Oh, this stuff way back here. Oh my goodness. Oh. Hold on you guys, I have to stay on my tippy toe. Okay, I got it. And this is the pasta that I'm using. So I hope your morning is going well so far. Mine is going pretty good. I already salted my water. I'm only making a small portion of this because I'm the only one who's going to eat it. Okay, you guys. I'm trying to film off of my iPad, you guys, as well. So, hold on. Here's my spinach here in the sink. I already washed it. This is the spinach that I use. I get that from Kroger's. Okay. Kroger spinach. It used to be $2.99. Now it's $3.29. Okay. So I'm gonna wash my hands again. And what I like to do, see some of these stems? I like to pick some of the stems off. I like to pick the stems off. Should be enough water. And I shake the excess. Look at this big old stem. Okay. Oh, so every time I shake, I get stems. And I don't want that. Okay, so we're going to let a lot of this excess water. I just don't like the extra stem pieces, you guys, but to each his own. Okay, you guys. I'm gonna try to pet dry some of this, and after you pet dry it, tear the spinach in little pieces as big as you like or as small as you like. Okay. That was my pasta. That pasta should be done. Like I said, I'm just making this for me to have something to snack on through the day, and I might have some for dinner. Okay, so I think this is how far I'm going to take it. And like I said, I don't like all those stems in mine, so how big and how small that you like it, guys, okay? Okay, so, okay, then after I do that, I finna mix together my dressing for the salad, okay? Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. It calls for 1 cup of olive oil, but I'm only going to use a half a cup. I might add more, but I'm just making a small salad for me. So that's the olive oil. Make sure you get all that goodness out of there. It calls me to get my measuring spoon. A half a teaspoon black pepper, and I don't know how I'm gonna do this garlic salt, but a half a teaspoon, or until your liking, of garlic salt. Everybody know what they like and what they don't like. And you need minced garlic, you guys. Okay. I love garlic. Okay. Still a little oil in here. And I'm gonna give it a whisk. Then I'm going to add off a fresh lemon, some lemon juice. Okay. Hey, Binks. Oh, this smells so good, you guys. Can I show you guys how it looks up in there? Hope you can see it. Okay. separate bowl. Let me move this one out the way. I rinsed it. Okay. I'm going to put my spinach and stuff just in there. So I'm going to start off. I'm going to put my... Now with this salad, you guys, you can add tomatoes, olives. You can add basically anything to spice your salad up. Okay, here's my noodles. I'm about to rinse them. Okay. So I'm going to let that drain. Okay. I'm going to put this to the side. I'm going to rinse my red onion because I'm adding red onions to mine. You can omit the onions if you don't like onions, you guys. A lot of people don't like onions, and that's okay. It gotta go to your liking or your guest liking. But in my case, it's gonna go by my liking. I gotta make me some. I got my coffee over here brewed, but I didn't put none in the cup yet. I made tuna fish yesterday. If you haven't checked that video out, please check it out. And that's what I will be having today with this salad. Ooh, these onions. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to add my onions, you guys, to my salad. I'm going to have to move this camera and get a better view for you guys to see. Okay, wipe my area down as I go. It snowed here this morning. This weather is just everywhere. Show you guys how this look in a minute. Like I said, you can add okay, that's the spinach. You see the red onions in there? Okay, you guys. Now I'm about to add my homemade dressing. You can see that garlic up in there. Okay. Okay, you guys. Feta. I got this at Kroger's. Add a little of this. Then we about to end this video. I got a hand nail, you guys. I hate that. Smells good. And you just sprinkle a little of this in there, you guys. And some of them being like big lumps and chunks like that, just make sure you just break that up. Okay. So like I said, you can add tomatoes, you can add olives, and actually I do have a can of olives, but I don't think I'm y'all should, smell-o-vision. This smells so good. And see, here's my olives, but I'm not gonna use that because I'm gonna try to take that can and make my burrito. Then I probably use it, you know, to mash it up. Okay, you guys, my kitchen is a hot mess, and I'm finna show you the end results. Okay, now I can sit myself down. That's my spinach pasta salad with red onions, feta cheese. I made my own homemade dressing using olive oil, minced garlic, a little black pepper, a little garlic salt. Stir it in a bowl. Taste it to your liking in a little lemon juice and pour it over the salad. Okay, you guys? And I thank you for watching, and they have to stay in the refrigerator between 3 and 4 hours, whatever how you like it, for the dressing to marinate in it. And after that, then I'm gonna eat. I thank you guys for watching. Bye bye now.